everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today we are going to be unboxing the July Sew Sampler. If you're unfamiliar with Sew Sampler, it's a really fun monthly subscription box. It includes sewing notions, quilting notions, fabric, patterns, all kinds of goodies are in these boxes. They're $24.95 a month and I will put information in the description box below where you can get them. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing in our box is the theme for this month, and it's Stitch by Stitch. And then on the back side, they have two different coupons, a 20% off coupon for BYANNIE Notions and a 10% off coupon for Fat Quarter Bundles. So that is always nice. You almost always get coupons in these boxes, so that is definitely a bonus. They also put in this little pamphlet here, and it tells everything that's inside of our boxes and how much they cost retail, so you kind of know the value you're getting. So I'll be keeping this handy as we go through our products. All right, the first thing we have in our box here is the Olfa Endurance Blade. This is a 1-pack 45mm rotary blade, and if you guys haven't used these before, they work really well. Olfa is saying here that they retain their sharp edge and cut twice as long as the originals, saving you time and money. They're valued at $10.98, and if you're unfamiliar with what these are, they are the blades that go in the rotary trimmers by Olfa. This is the one I use. I have several different colors. These are the Splash Olfa 45mm rotary cutters, and then they sell the replacement blades for them. These are my all-time favorite. As most of you probably already know, I don't use any other ones. I feel like they fit in your hands really well, and new blades are always great to get in my boxes because I don't know why, but I'm not very good at buying these for myself. So I always try and make these things go as long as I possibly can, and then as you're cutting, your fabric's not cutting, and it's like, why don't I just change out my blade? I don't know. Anyways, there's one in the box. They are kind of pricey, so it's nice to get these in your boxes. All right, the next thing in our box here is this Sew on the Go sewing machine handle wrap. It retails for $7.98, and it says, when heading out to quilt retreats, your sewing machine is your constant companion. Make the trip smoother with this plush sewing machine handle that is cushioned with nifty neoprene. And so basically what you do is there's Velcro on it, and you just wrap it around your handle here, and voila, there you go. Now, I will say that this is probably my least favorite product so far, mainly because I tried it on my Juki TL2000 and it is too wide. My handle only is about this wide, and so I can't even sort of force it on there. It's just too, yeah, it's just too wide, so that's kind of unfortunate. And honestly, I'm not sure if I'd really use something like this anyways, because it kind of prevents your handle from laying down flat in your machine. Like, most handles pop out from your machine and then go down when you're, you know, at home using them or whatever. And so, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Okay, the next thing we have here is a white 24-inch handbag zipper plus a bonus zipper pull. This retails for $5.48, and it says, there are so many reasons to love these BYANNIE zippers. They're strong, durable, and feature wide zipper tape, which means no zipper foot is necessary. You can also change out and add the zipper pulls as you like, and it is a product that we're going to be using in the pattern that comes in this month's box as well, so this will be handy. But honestly, these will be handy for pretty much any project where you might be needing a zipper. I have not tried this particular brand of zippers, but as you can see, yes, the zipper tape is quite thick for what you would normally get. So yeah, pretty handy. I'm excited to try this, and like I said, it's 24 inches, and I believe that you actually end up cutting this guy in half and getting 2 zippers out of this one. And moving on to the pattern that I just mentioned, this is the Simply Handmade Bag pattern. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive for our Sew Sampler boxes, and it combines quilting and zippers in a cute little bag that you'll want to pack with you. This was inspired by Sherry McConnell of A Quilting Life, and they do have a video actually that shows how to put this bag together as well. This pattern retails for $9.98. And then it has your supplies on the back, and I believe they show you how to make 2 bags kind of at the same time. And again, as always, there are colorful pictures in here, cutting instructions. Everything is laid out really nicely. The graphics are really good, and this is definitely a beginner-friendly product. That is one of the things I always love about Fat Quarter Shop, and I always mention it. If you're new to sewing and quilting, this is a great box to get because the patterns that they send out are always beginner-friendly. The fabric is super fun, but mostly I like that these aren't super complicated. They're quick, easy projects, and they definitely build your sewing skills. Okay, moving on to the fabric in this box. This is called Petite Blooms and Bobbins Fat Quarter Bundle by Melissa Mora for Riley Blake Designs. And it says, the humming of a happy sewing machine is the sweetest sound, and Melissa Mora has captured that soothing essence in all of her Blooms and Bobbins collection for Riley Blake. They have cool pinks, grays, and dusky blues with a hint of gold metallic. This 6-piece Fat Quarter bundle highlights the iconic sewing machine, accented with florals and a stitchy stripe, and it values at $19.98. And I will go ahead and take this bundle apart for you guys. Okay, so here's the first print. It's a nice light pink with some larger florals. Next one is kind of this light gray with the blue florals. Here are the sewing machines that they were talking about. Those are really cute. And yes, they do look like a gold metallic. Here is the same print, only on pink. And I'm sorry, I don't think that metallic is coming across. Hopefully it is. But it is, the sewing machines are outlined in a gold metallic. And then they've got this fun blue stripy one, looks like stitch lines, and a white. I have not seen this entire line, you guys, but these are really cute prints. All right, and then the last thing we have in our box today is the Goodness Grows block, and this is block number 4. And if you're unfamiliar with Sew Sampler boxes, each month they send out these blocks, and then you get, once you get all 12 boxes, you have 12 different blocks to put together in a scrappy kind of sampler quilt. And so this is, like I said, block number 4. These were designed by Corey Yoder, so this one's really cute. And then I brought back the other blocks just so you can kind of see what they look like. So here was one of them. Here's another, last one, and then the one from this month. And then of course you can use whatever fabric you want for these if you want to put them together. I tend to like to gather all these together and then make it after I get all of my patterns. That way I kind of have you know, a mindset of what colors I want to use on each block. You could always just have it be kind of a surprise and get ahead of the game and make each block as they come. That way you're not kind of making a whole quilt. It's a little bit more manageable to make one block per month. And then by the time you get all 12 blocks, then you can just put your sampler quilt together and have a whole quilt done. So anyways, these are really cute, and I always look forward to seeing what you know, what they're gonna send the next month. I think so far I've really enjoyed all these. They are all pieced so far except for this one. You do have to do a little bit applique on this one, and I don't know what the other blocks are gonna look like, of course, but that is the one for this month. All right, everyone, this is everything that came in the July 2019 Sew Sampler box. I added up all the contents value for you, and it looks like it is $59.38 total value, which is great considering you only paid $24.95 for it. So that I think is about average for their box totals. They range anywhere from $50 to $60, and so this one's a little bit more on the high end. As far as my favorite things in this month's box go, always the fabric. This is really cute fabric, and actually I look forward to seeing the rest of the line. This is of course only a sampling of it. And then I really like this cute bag pattern. As you guys know, I love to make different bags and pouches, and I have seen this bag before on their website, and so I think it's fun that we got that pattern. And I think it'll be really interesting to try this wider taped zipper just to see how that works. So I think all in all, I'm fairly happy with this box. I would love to hear what your favorite product was from this month's box, so leave that in the comments for me below, as well as any questions you might have. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep doing unboxings for you. I love doing these because that way you can see what's inside these boxes before you spend your own hard-earned money on them. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.